Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. Quick little video here, but hopefully a really beautiful video. I'm going to show you something really cool I've never seen before, but I was able to stop and hopefully make a little video here. I'm parked back there on the side of the highway because there's no truck parking here where this place is. And I'm going to show you in just a minute. Give me just a second to share my heart a little bit. So there's been many times in my life when I have wondered why God has me in a certain place. And so I have been a truck driver for many years, over 23 years. And there's been many times in my trucking career I, just wished I could do something else. Wish I could be home. And I still do. I would rather teach. I would rather have a local job. I would rather be home every day with my wife. For my family, for my friends, for my church, to serve God at home. But God has me on the road. So recently I've been trying to embrace it more. And today it just kind of hit me that I am out here for a reason. I am providing food for people all over the country. I'm making a living for myself and my wife. And this is where God has me. But I've realized that if I didn't have this trucking job on the road, I wouldn't be able to see places that I see and make videos for you all. So it's a blessing, because if I didn't have this job, I wouldn't be able to afford to go these places and do any of this. And but because sometimes I have a few minutes, I have some downtime while I'm working, while I'm trucking on the road, I can stop and see something, explore places, and I can make videos to share with you all. So this is a blessing. And this is pretty amazing. To realize that God has you where you are, and it's a season. So someday, my trucking career will be over. I will have a local job that God opened a door for me, or I will just be home more, or I'll be retired, and I'll be home, and that'll be great. It would be really nice to be home more. I look forward to that day. But until then, I'm going to keep on trucking and embrace every moment, and explore and see places whenever I can, and show them to you all when I can. So, are you ready? I get to see places like this. This is Multomah Falls in Oregon. Look at that. A gorgeous waterfall just pouring down off of the mountains. Multomah Falls in Oregon. And I looked it up, and this is one of the most visited attractions in the Pacific Northwest, and actually in the country. A gorgeous waterfall, over 600 feet tall, just pouring off the mountain. I'm going to see if I can get a little closer, better view here. Absolutely gorgeous. God's amazing creation. This is so beautiful. It's bringing me to tears. God's amazing creation. So remember, y'all, don't ever doubt where God has you. As it says in His Word, Ecclesiastes 3:1, there's a time for everything and a season for every activity under heaven.